Welcome kids for our GK class. Let's we move to the topic. Did you know? Yeah, this is today's topic. In these images, I think you know some creatures' names and specials. See children, in our chapter having a hell box, in that they have some creatures' names in shuffled. We have to identify in that correct creature name. Now let's me move to learning about animals is great fun, whether it's about wild animal or pet animals. Some interesting facts about animals are given below. Name these animals. Look at the first creature. Yeah, it's a sea animal. It look like a prawn, but this is a shrimp. Its heart is located in its head. Children, now you have to write in the first column. In this hell box, they have a spelling of the shrimp. So children, you have to put number in the hell box like this and write that name in the space like this. Next, let you know about the tiny slowest animal. This creature can sleep for 3 years. Oh my god, we can't do it. Did you know this animal? Yeah, this is a snail. You have to find this in a hell box and write the number like this and write that name in the space like this. Let's move to the next creature. See, look at this. It's a tall animal. I think most of them know that. Yeah, it's a giraffe. But this animal not having a no vocal cord. Vocal cord means voice. So that we didn't know the giraffe sound. You have to find this in a hell box and write the number like this. Write that name in the space like this. Next, you'll learn to know about the interesting creature. See children, this is the only animal that can't jump. How it is? See, it is too stout, no, so that it can't to jump. Yeah, this is a fatty elephant. You have to find this in a hell box and write the number like this. Write that name in the space like this. Next, let you know about the tiny danger creature. Yeah, it has 4 noses. Yes dear, this is a slug. You have to find this in a hell box and write the number like this. Write that name in the space like this. Children, next let you know about the hot bird. Yeah, this bird name is ostrich. Yeah, its eyes is bigger than its brain. See children, how tiny brain it has. You have to find this in a hell box and write the number like this. Write that name in the space like this. See children, first of all you identify this hell box creature names and enter the number like this. Afterwards you have to complete that. See like this. Children, now you learn to know about a few things from this creature. Thank you children. Next we will see you on next chapter.